Hey everybody, in this 2-minute tutorial, we're going to learn how to put your products on sale in Shopify. Before we do that, if you would like to support the free tutorials on this channel, please become a patron at patreon.com/sgtech, and you can get customized videos to answer your questions within 24 hours. Check the link in the description. All right, here we go. We're going to go to products. I only have one product in my test store, so we're obviously going to go to that. We're going to scroll down past the description, past the image of the product, and we can see that the price is $14.99. Now let's say I want to put this product on sale for $9.99. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the price to $9.99. We're going to compare at the regular price of $14.99. So that is the regular price, $14.99. The new price is $9.99. We're going to save it. The product has been saved. We're going to do a preview. And you can see now that the product was $14.99. It is now $9.99. Very, very simple. And when you want to take your product off sale, let's say your sale is over, all you have to do is change it back. $14.99, take the compare at price out, save it. Let's refresh our preview, and now it's back to $14.99. Hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial and found it interesting. Check out the link in the description to become a patron, and have a great day.